Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete duplicates in Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is highlight the whole list. So let's do A to B to C up to number 12. So to do this is pretty simple. All you have to do actually is go and highlight it, go to format, and then conditional formatting. From conditional formatting here, you have your conditional format rules. So here you just go to the format rules, which goes to here, and then custom formula is. Then we're gonna place our formula here. So just go after me. So equals and then caps lock count. So count if a to a1. So just highlight the first row, for example. So a to a up to a1, so comma a1, and then you can also do parentheses, which I forgot here before that. So now it's highlighted this, and then you can also place the highlight. So let's just place this and there. So just follow this formula and then you will have to filter it out, and there you go. So as you can see here, it has formatted it to filter out those that are duplicated, and now you can delete them manually if you want to do so. So there you go guys. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.